Greetings, secondary education mathematics methods students. This is a brief video to introduce you to the unit plan for our course. This is a big project, the capstone assignment for the course, in which you're going to display a range of skills and conceptual understanding, including, for example, lesson writing, long-range unit planning that demonstrates both content delivery as well as conceptual understanding in the NCTM mathematical process standards such as communication, reasoning, representations, and the others. So in this video I'm going to flip the screen and there will be a screenshot video so that we can sort of lay the groundwork for what you need to do for the unit plan. This introduces the unit plan and how you're going to complete it. There are assignment documents on D2L to help you along with the process, and we will be checking in throughout the semester during our course for feedback from me and feedback from each other. So let's switch over to the screen and take a look at some of the materials. Okay, now that we are looking at D2L, let's take a look at what we have going on for the unit plan assignment. In the course content under unit plan, you will find several things. The bottom link here is where you will submit an active link for your entire unit plan. You will be completing the unit plan in TaskStream. TaskStream has a unit builder. The first link in the unit plan assignment documents is the overall assignment that links the unit plan assignment to NCTM standards. The second link will show you exactly what you need to do in each section of the unit builder on TaskStream. The unit plan scoring essentially just shows you how points are broken down for the organization for the unit plan here. So we won't look at this document here. We will look at the first document and the second document. We'll look at TaskStream, how the unit builder is organized and where to find it. And I'll also show you what a final product looks like. So in the unit plan assignment document, that's right here. This gives you a narrative about what it's about, and then it lists out the required elements. These codes here are the NCTM standards that are linked into this assignment. This document gives you all of the reasoning as to why you are doing particular things, and it's a very important thing for you to read, but once you've read it once, you can use it as a reference for further detail, but it won't sort of tell you exactly what you need to do. That is why I made the organization for the unit plan document. The organization for the unit plan document, these headings in bold are the parts of the unit plan that you will complete in TaskStream. So I'm going to kind of toggle back and forth between this document and TaskStream for a second. If you see the example unit plan that I have right here, you see vital information, subject, grade level, time required. This is sort of self-explanatory, but time required I have over here what I'm looking for. Write out a simple statement that the unit will take 3 school weeks with X and Y class length periods, then create a calendar with a table. Okay, so you create a table. See how this example has a table here. This student could have written, teacher candidate could have written a little bit longer of a description rather than just a phrase here. Objectives, it tells you to copy and paste in the objectives that you write out for each lesson plan. So you will not have your objectives until you write out all of your lesson plans. So we'll kind of, rather than go through each one of these right now, I just want to sort of go back to what does that final product look like. So you have this long list of objectives. You have a summary which includes a demographics for the school, that you would be teaching this at. And if you don't have a placement because you're student teaching next fall, then you will choose a school that you're familiar with to complete that. Now see here, if you look at TaskStream's unit plan builder, the implementation, that's where you have learning activities and you link in all of your TaskStream lessons. Okay? Resources and handouts, those are research materials that you use to develop your unit plan. Just like you have written a lesson plan that was developed off of an NCTM mathematics teacher or an equivalent article, you will need to find 3 articles that relate to your unit plan topic. And yes, you can use the same topic as you've used for previous lesson plans, so you already have 1 article if you end up using the same topic. Assessments and standards, those just get linked in from your lesson plans, and then you will be completing a rubric or an assessment plan, which includes 1 traditional and 1 alternative assessment at a minimum, and then a description of your assessment plan. So that's what a sort of overall what it looks like. The main, the most amount of work you have to do is writing those lesson plans. You will not be writing a lesson plan for every single day of the 3 weeks because there's days blocked out for assessment and review and maybe projects that you use and do work on during class time. So I think on average it's usually about between 7 to 11 lessons that you're writing for the unit plan. So to find where to do the unit builder, you log into TaskStream, you click on Lessons, Units, and Rubrics. Oh, I've logged out. So let me just do this real quick. Lessons, Units, and Rubrics. Go to the unit builder instead of the lesson builder, and you'll see I'm going to do sample 1. Oops, you're going to select the format, TS, TaskStream Basic Unit Plan, and then here you see all of those tabs, and you're going to be putting in the things as explained by the organization for the unit plan. So this is really well detailed, and when I flip off from the screenshot and go to the FaceTime mode, I will explain what I want you to do as first steps for the unit plan. So again, to conclude this portion of the video, we have got the unit plan organized on D2L here in the content area, and I would say the most important document is the organization for the unit plan and for you to log into TaskStream. So this organization for the unit plan explains to you exactly what needs to go in each section of the TaskStream unit builder. Okay? So that's it for looking at the materials on D2L. Okay, now that we have taken a look at the materials, that's about it for our video that introduces the Math Methods unit plan assignment. This unit plan as a project, was driven by the National Council of Teachers of Mathematics Standards for Math Teacher Preparation at the Secondary Level. And I'm really excited to work along with you as you get this project completed. When we first work on it in class, I'll want to see your unit topic selected, a sketch of what are the dates, the calendar as an overview for the timeline for the unit plan, as well as 2 lesson plans, drafts of 2 lesson plans. Another thing to get going on right away would be to find the peer-reviewed research articles that you're going to use for the unit plan. So those things are the first steps in sort of conceiving how your unit plan is going to go. Again, that is the overview, the calendar, the research articles that you're going to use, and sketching 2 unit plans. Those would be the main things to get going on right away. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll be in touch about moving on this project along. Have a great day.